What can avocados do for you? By the end of this video, you'll be racing to the store to stock up on this green gem. Today, we're diving into the world of one of nature's most incredible superfoods.
Hello again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dr. Hanz MD.
Did you know that avocados are probably one of the greatest fruits to exist? That's right, I said it. It's a fruit. You might be surprised to learn that avocados are actually classified as a single-seeded berry. One medium avocado contains 9 grams of fiber, which is about a third of your daily recommended intake. This is great news for your gut health. This fiber acts like a broom for your digestive system, sweeping away toxins. The fiber also helps to control the release of sugar. This means that you can avoid those energy spikes and crashes that lead to brain fog. The fiber in avocados facilitate a more constant, controlled release of energy to help you power through the rest of your day. As a result, you gain a steady drive that keeps your mind clear and sharp, enabling you to concentrate on your daily tasks with ease. And that's not all. You might have heard that avocados are high in fat. They're almost pure good fat and fiber. Now, I know that word fat might set off alarm bells in your head, but the fat in avocados is primarily monounsaturated fat, which is the good kind that your body needs. It's the same type of healthy fat found in olive oil. This fat can help lower bad cholesterol levels in your blood, which in turn can decrease your risk of heart disease and stroke. Amazing, right? Now, here's something that might blow your mind. The combination of healthy fats and fiber in avocados helps you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating and snacking on less healthy options. And what if I told you that adding some avocado in your salad can significantly increase the absorption of polyphenols from other vegetables? Polyphenols are powerful antioxidants that protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. They're found in many fruits and vegetables, but some of them are fat-soluble, meaning your body needs fat to absorb them properly. Adding avocado to your diet is simpler than you think. For breakfast, try avocado toast topped with poached egg. For lunch, toss a few slices of avocado in your bowl of salad, boosting its taste and increases its nutrient absorption. At dinner, whip up a batch of guacamole as a healthy side for your grilled chicken. So next time you're grocery shopping, don't forget to grab some of those avocados.